technology is privacy and data security. Eye scans can contain sensitive biometric information that must be protected from unauthorized access and use. To address these concerns, many eye scanning systems use encryption and other security measures to protect the data collected during the scanning process. Additionally, some systems allow users to control who has access to their eye scan data and how that data is used. There are also ethical considerations to be taken into account in the development and use of eye scanning technology. For example, the use of eye scans for identification purposes raises questions about the potential for misuse or abuse of this technology by governments or other organizations. To address these concerns, some experts have called for greater regulation and oversight of eye scanning technology, including requirements for transparency and accountability in the use of this technology. Despite these challenges, eye scanning technology has the potential to revolutionize the way we interact with computers and other devices, as well as improve security and identification in a wide range of applications. As technology continues to improve and evolve, we can expect to see even more exciting developments in this field. Eye scanning technology has several advantages over other forms of identification and security technology. One of the key advantages of eye scanning is its speed and ease of use. Unlike other forms of identification such as passwords or fingerprint scans, eye scanning does not require physical contact with the device, which can save time and improve convenience. Eye scanning is also more secure than other forms of identification, as the unique patterns and features of the eye are extremely difficult to replicate or forge. This makes eye scanning an ideal form of identification for security-sensitive applications such as border control, law enforcement, and financial transactions. In addition to security and identification applications, eye scanning technology also has potential applications in other areas such as marketing and advertising. By using eye scanning technology, marketers and advertisers can collect data on how users interact with their products or advertisements, which can be used to improve the effectiveness of their campaigns. However, the use of eye scanning technology for marketing and advertising purposes raises concerns about privacy and data security. To address these concerns, many companies are implementing strict privacy policies and guidelines for the collection and use of eye scan data. Another potential application of eye scanning technology is in the field of virtual and augmented reality. By using eye scanning technology, virtual and augmented reality systems can track the movement of the user's eyes, allowing for more realistic and immersive experiences. Another potential application of eye scanning technology is in the field of accessibility. For individuals with certain disabilities, such as motor impairments or speech impairments, eye scanning technology can be used as an alternative way to interact with computers and other devices. Eye scanning technology can also be used to improve safety in certain industries, such as transportation. For example, some companies are developing eye scanning technology that can detect when a driver is becoming drowsy or distracted, and alert them to take a break or refocus their attention. Eye scanning technology has also been used in research to study human behavior and cognition. By tracking the movement of the eyes during various tasks or activities, researchers can gain insights into how the brain processes information and makes decisions. In addition to these applications, eye scanning technology is also being used to improve the accuracy and effectiveness of medical treatments. For example, eye scans can be used to monitor the progression of diseases such as multiple sclerosis or Alzheimer's, and to track the effectiveness of treatments over time.